In this video, we're not only teaching you the colors, the writing, and the pronunciation, but the most important, how to use it in a real sentence, because that's what we want, that you speak real English and as a native. So let's start then. White, white, white. For example, we can say, I have a white cat. I have a white cat. I have a white cat. And here it's important to tell you that colors work as adjectives. That's why it's white cat and no cat white, the adjective before the noun. Black, black, black. For example, I love this black jacket. I love this black jacket. Gray, gray, gray. Gray is my favorite color. Gray is my favorite color. Red, red, red. Your red dress looks amazing. Your red dress looks amazing. Blue, blue, blue. Can you lend me your blue pen? Can you lend me your blue pen? Yellow, yellow, yellow. I have a yellow book. I have a yellow book. Green, green, green. This shirt goes well with your green boots. This shirt goes well with your green boots. Orange, orange, orange. I like orange color. I like orange color. Brown, brown, brown. Mary has a brown skirt. Mary has a brown skirt. Pink, pink, pink. Pink looks well on you. Pink looks well on you. Violet, violet, violet. My house is violet. My house is violet. Purple, purple, purple. There's a purple car next to mine. There's a purple car next to mine. Sky blue, sky blue, sky blue. The Z is a sky blue. The Z is a sky blue. Golden, golden, golden. Messi won the golden ball. Messi won the golden ball. Silver, silver, silver. I love this silver ring. I love this silver ring. Beige, beige, beige. Those are nice beige pants. Those are nice beige pants. Coral, coral, coral. This sweater is coral. This sweater is coral. Dark, dark, dark. The sky is turning dark. The sky is turning dark. Dark green, dark green, dark green. I'm totally sure this is a dark green notebook. I'm totally sure this is a dark green notebook. Dark blue, dark blue, dark blue. My favorite color is dark blue. My favorite color is dark blue. Deep, deep, deep. This color is deep. This color is deep. Fuchsia, fuchsia, fuchsia. These posits are fuchsia. These posits are fuchsia. Lavender, lavender, lavender. My mother likes lavender color. My mother likes lavender color. Light, light, light. I prefer the light green. I prefer the light green. Turquoise, turquoise, turquoise. That cap is turquoise. That cap is turquoise. Lilac, lilac, lilac. Are you sure that's lilac color? Are you sure that's lilac color? Magenta, magenta, magenta. How can I get the magenta color on the computer? How can I get the magenta color on the computer? Maroon, maroon, maroon. I'm sure this is maroon. I'm sure this is maroon. Salmon, salmon, salmon. How much is that salmon sweater, please? How much is that salmon sweater, please? Scarlet, scarlet, scarlet. You have to buy that scarlet dress. You have to buy that scarlet dress. Remember to practice not only the color and the pronunciation, but use it in a real sentence. This way you could talk English faster and as a native. If I've forgotten anyone, just put it in the comments and we'll do it in the next video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Have a great day.